Yo, what's good everybody? The Fashion Bozo here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be dripping down with the bucket hat. In the early 1900s, Irish farmers wore bucket hats to protect themselves from the rain and nature's elements while they worked in their farm. Now that we're here in 2023, wearing a bucket hat is a fashion statement. Now, it might seem difficult to pull off, but that's why I'm here. The Fashion Bozo got you, and I'm gonna get y'all right and show you guys how to style it. There's three fundamental principles that I like to adhere to when styling a bucket hat. Number one is confidence. You must wear it with confidence. Two is color blocking. Just making sure you're not doing too much all at once and letting this piece shine. Because no matter what you say, a bucket hat is a statement piece, and there's no need to tone it down. Number three kind of goes with number two. It's just keeping it simple and balanced. The shapes, the silhouettes. And to help with that, we got these two beautiful bucket hats from Awake, New York. Same pattern, but different color blocking. And wanted to do two outfits with this bucket hat, two outfits with this bucket hat. And we're gonna have a good time, all right? Let's get into today's video.
Outfit number one. If confidence is first, color blocking is second. Here I am with my white palace tee with a pop of red. Got my bucket and these royal ones. Really beautiful color blocking. My gray trousers pairs beautifully. Neutral tones throughout. And letting these loose silhouettes flow. I'm talking on the phone, probably trying to close the deal, not really. And you can see it all flows together. Goes together really well, really easy on the eyes, neutral tones, black on white, color blocking. Not doing too much, guys, simple. Black on black, white on white, a little bit pop of red, gray pants. And I think the coolest people that rock the bucket hats aren't trying too hard. And here I am, just go with the flow and have fun with it. So for this next outfit, I had the bucket hat as more of an accessory, instead letting this Dennis Rodman Bulls jersey shine. We got the Stussy velour shorts with the Berry Air Force Ones, loosey-goosey New York style. And same accessories as before. The color blocking, very simple. Christmas vibes, red and green. Been working out lately, so the jersey was really looking good on this one. As you can see, not trying too hard, just letting the pieces shine on its own. And just a simple fit, red, green, and let the bucket hat on top. Chill, fiesta vibes, maybe to go a cookout or night market. Just having a good time, good vibes overall. This next fit features the black bucket hat paired with the star of the show, the Sinclair Global button up. Lime green, little Showtime New York vibes. Dark green Palace utility shorts, Prada American cups, classics to a more simpler time. And just letting the shapes, the silhouettes, the colors shine. Beautiful color blocking. Green undertones paired with the tonal black hat. And it could go for everything. Getting that New York in me, getting loose. And as you can see, this fit just goes very easily together. And black socks. And as you can see, black with black. Green with green. A little bit navy and gray. Neutral colors. You see the pattern of here, subtle jewelry, just having fun with it. Here I am, dancing a little bit. This is a party vibe. Go to the club, go to the cookout, go to the lounge, go to the mall, go to the water, go to the yacht, have fun. Let's go. Let's get it, y'all. It's lit. This next outfit is inspired by Rockstar's past and Rockstar's present. You got this Rude tee, one of my favorite brands at the moment. We have these patent red Babesters. Want to be using the bucket hat as an accessory, just keep on watching. We have these Haven Court painted denims, and they fall beautifully on these Babesters. Oh my goodness. Shout out Keezy. And just a black fit throughout. Black shirt, black jeans. Pop of red on the shoes. Statement piece for show. Baggy 2000s Y2K vibes. The bucket hat as an accessory, give it a little bit Lupe Fiasco vibes, you know what I mean? We sitting down, we waiting, patience is a virtue, And here we go. Just a clean fit throughout. Black on black, red shoes, black bucket hat. Hey, it doesn't get simpler than this. And yeah, just one color, two colors, balance, confidence, having fun with it. Guys, this is Drip Down with the bucket hat. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I am the Fashion Bozo. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Today's quote of the day is, the money follows the work. Once you put in the work, the money will follow. I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.